Hey, what's up? So, car's still in one piece. That's cool. So yeah, I haven't really been updating very much because I really haven't been doing much car related other than just driving it and tuning it. Maybe I'll do a video on that, not really tuning it because it's already tuned per se. Just working on getting the boost controller to work. Well, not boost controller, but the boost control. Working to get the boost control solenoid to work with the Mega Squirt. Doing a open loop right now, or doing closed loop right now, and no, open loop. There we go. Yeah, and those duty tables are kind of kicking my ass. It's like if I move it just one tiny little number, and the boost varies greatly. So. And then plus, I noticed that boost varies a lot by gear. I mean, I kind of already knew that happens. You know, it's the amount of boost pressure that's generated is going to depend on the load that's placed on the engine. So, like, you know, for example, I make a lot more boost in fourth gear than I do in second gear or first gear. So it's like either I set the maximum in fourth gear and kind of underboost in all the other gears, or set the boost high in the lower gear and overboost and the higher gears, and it's just kind of deciding on which way I want to go with that. But if I could get closed loop to work, that would be great, because then I could just set a normal boost pressure or a nominal boost pressure, and the ECM will always try and command or drive that particular pressure regardless of gear or load and yada yada yada. Anyways, rambling. So point of this video, third oil change. Yeah, third, I think, or fourth. I think it's the third oil change. See how things are going. Been driving the car back and forth to work, put probably another 200 miles on it. Everything seems to be fine. Oil pressure is great, no knocks. I do seem to have, like when it's really cold, I do seem to have a little bit of piston slap, like the first few minutes it's running, but once it warms up, it goes away, which I'm running pretty wide piston to wall clearance, so that's kind of to be expected a little bit. Other than that, I have a slight oil leak. I'm not sure if it's the front of the oil pan or the front main seal. Either way, I have a new seal, so once I get up under there, I'll take a look at it, see exactly where it's leaking from, and potentially fix that. It's a very small leak. It's not enough to really be concerned about, but if I plan on taking this to the drag strip, it can't be leaking fluid all over the track, even if it's just a tiny drop here or there. But so I may or may not get to that this video. It's already late in the day. I kind of dragged my ass. So yeah, let me go ahead and move these cars out of the way and get to it. Really dark. All right, so just from the little bit that I can see, it already looks better than the last time. So I think we're on the right track here. I think think this might hold together, hopefully. Oh, apparently I'm spewing oil all over the place. I'm an idiot. Whoops. Oh well. Absolutely nothing on the filter. The filter actually looks like it's in great condition compared to the last time. You know, last time the filter was very dark, it looked very used. This looks good. That looks pretty good. Still dark and kind of weird looking. Still a very, not even really a shimmer, but you can still see like some very, very fine looking kind of stuff, but God, it's nothing like it was before where it looked like the freaking galaxy. So that's a good sign. Yeah, so I'm thinking whatever's left in there is just residual from the last few oil changes, or whatever I'm seeing. I got just dripping oil all over the... I apparently can't do this without making a mess, even though I have a giant freaking pan that I can sit up under the car and whatever. But, so it looks pretty good. I'm going to crawl up under there after I clean up this mess and see if I can see where the oil leak is coming from as far as the other issue. But as far as the oil change goes, looking good. Alright, so I did some minor exploring. It's not leaking from the main seal, so that's a good thing. It does appear to be leaking from the oil pan. Around that area. I don't think it's the gasket. I think I know exactly where. There's a bolt that was loose, and anyways, yeah. So it looks like it's leaking from the oil pan, and I may have to drop the oil pan in order to fix it. That is such a pain in the ass to do because it's all RTV'd around there, and it's not a fun job. So I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it later. Now would be a good time to do it now that it's drained and there's no oil in there, but I just don't feel like doing it, so I'm not. I'm just gonna let it keep leaking because I'm not going to the track anytime soon. So yeah, that's that. Pretty boring update, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, the exciting thing is that the engine's not eating itself, so no new metal. I mean, there is still some metal, but it's not like a lot, and my battery's about to die, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this here.